Listen, I know that WordPress could be frustrating. Just look at all these bad reviews. The way that people build websites, funnels, and pages on WordPress is totally outdated. It's difficult, confusing, impractical, and honestly, it kind of sucks. So we developed a solution for you. But before I share the solution, you gotta understand one thing. There are two types of people in this world. One, people that love WordPress, and two, people that hate WordPress. We have already developed the world's most powerful, complete funnel, page, and website builder in the world for non-WordPress users. It's called Cheetah Builder by Builderall. But now we are ready to launch the world's most powerful, complete, and unlimited drag and drop website, funnel, and page builder for WordPress. You see, ever since we developed the Cheetah Builder for non-WordPress users, we have been receiving messages every day from top affiliates, Builderall users, agency clients asking and bragging us to create a WordPress plugin. They wanted the power of the Cheetah funnel and website builder for WordPress. The only problem, well, if we were to develop a WordPress plugin, it had to be the best in the market. And so we researched all of the most famous WordPress plugins and builders in the world to see what the hype was about. We wanted to combine all of the best functionalities and features to make the #1 WordPress website funnel and page builder in the world. And after months of researching and over 1 year developing it, we finally did it. It is finally ready for you guys. You are now able to create unlimited high converting sales funnels, pages, beautiful websites in just a few minutes without the typical WordPress struggle and difficulties. You don't believe us? Well, join us at our webinar September 6th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time to see it for yourself. This will be a game changer for you and for your business. So you don't want to miss this, because we're going to be doing an amazing limited time offer with amazing bonuses for only those participating in the webinar. Now, I promise you, this is no fake scarcity, no BS. This limited time offer that will be a game changer will only be there for a couple of days. So don't forget, September 6th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So register right now, add this onto your calendar. Don't forget, and I'll see you guys in the webinar. Take care.
So I hope guys you got some value out this video. If that's so, please drop a like and subscribe with the bell notification on, as I am going to come with more such review videos along with massive bonuses. Also, if you have any question, let me know in the comments below. Goodbye.